How to send SD videos on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the WhatsApp application in your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. After that, you have to navigate to that contact to whom you would like to send the SD video. For example, I have a contact right here. Now, to send the SD video, first of all, you have to select the video. So, tap on this camera icon. Now, you have to choose the video. For example, I have this video right here and I would like to send this video as SD to the contact. If you navigate to top of this interface, there you will find SD option, tap on it. Again, tap on it. After that, a pop-up box will appear in your interface that says select the quality photos and videos are sent at. So you have to choose the second option that says SD quality. And now the video it says to SD quality. After that you can send this video. And here this video has been sent as SD video to this contact in WhatsApp. So this is the way to send the SD video in WhatsApp, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.